warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, we are Muhammad Lutfi Faruq and my friend
Bagas Julianto.
We are from class 12 Century.
Today we are going to show you how to do using create a Facebook account. Let's start.
Okay, first open Play Store to download Facebook. You will need 1. Handphone. 2. Make sure you have packet or data. 3. You have a Play Store application. 4. And download the Facebook application.
One, open the Facebook application first. 2. Second, type your first name, last name, your email address, and a password. 3. Select your birthday in the profile box and your gender. 4. Click sign up.
I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me.
5. You will have 3 steps after signing up: finding friend, profile information, and profile picture. You can skip all the steps to come into your Facebook homepage. Finally, you have already had a Facebook account.
Facebook function for the community. Number 1. Facebook can a student about the news or news that is being talked about a lot. Besides getting new friends, students can also look for friends in cyberspace and get the desired partner.
And student means will be more open by getting different friends on Facebook, and means of discussion on Facebook. Student can join various communities or groups.
So I'm taking my time on my ride. time on my